In this video, we'll show you how to clean pennies the right way to make them shiny and bright again. Using simple household items, you can remove years of oxidation and grime in just a few minutes. Please note, if you have rare or collectible coins, leave them as they are, as cleaning can actually lower their value. You'll need a small bowl, white vinegar, salt, a clean cloth or paper towel, and a soft-bristled toothbrush. For a final polish, you can also use a bit of baking soda. Avoid using harsh steel wool or heavy metal polishes, as these can scratch the soft copper surface. Pour about a quarter cup of white vinegar into a small bowl and stir in 1 teaspoon of salt. Keep stirring until the salt is completely dissolved. The acetic acid in the vinegar reacts with the salt to create a powerful solution that strips away copper oxide, the dull, brownish coating on old pennies. Drop your dull pennies into the solution so they aren't overlapping. You don't need to wait long. You'll see the transformation happen in about 10 to 30 seconds. For very crusty coins, you can let them soak for up to 5 minutes. Use a toothbrush to gently scrub away any stubborn dirt from the edges or the date. Once the pennies look bright and shiny, remove them from the bowl and rinse them thoroughly under cool running water. This is a critical step because if the acidic vinegar stays on the copper, it will eventually turn the pennies a dull blue-green color. For extra protection, you can rub a little baking soda and water over them to neutralize the acid before a final rinse. Pat the pennies dry immediately with a soft microfiber cloth. Rub them in small circular motions to buff the surface and bring out a brilliant copper glow. Ensure they are completely dry before storing them to prevent new tarnish from forming. To keep your pennies looking new, store them in a cool, dry place away from high humidity. Handling them by the edges helps prevent oils from your fingers from dulling the finish over time. With these simple steps, your old brown pennies will look like they just came from the mint. It's a fun, quick DIY project that brings a fresh sparkle to your coin collection. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy cleaning tips.